Relatives of two victims from last week's crash in Clarendon that claimed the lives of two school children say they are appalled that no institution has reached out to the two sisters who survived the incident. The two were traveling in a Toyota Probox motorcar but survived. Their cousin, who sustained head and chest injuries, remained in hospital. Now, since the incident last week, the family they've been seeking donations for blood.
A relative of 12-year-old Jamie Miller, a victim of last Monday's deadly crash on the Bustamante Highway, was in reflection mode when she visited the family. The child remains in hospital.
At this time, that I am asking for prayers for my grandnephew, who is in the children's hospital at this time. I just ask God to intervene in the situation.
Jamie was a passenger in the Subaru that was being operated as a robot taxi. He's said to be in serious but stable condition. He's also a relative to the two sisters who were in the Probox which the Subaru crashed in. The sisters sustained non-life-threatening injuries and were treated and sent home, but their worries aren't over. Last Friday, when we spoke with the family, the sisters say they are still bothered by the incident and frequently get flashbacks of the crash. They returned to school today.
Yeah, I'm still traumatized.
She was being questioned by our Clarendon correspondent, Houghton Henry.
Are you prepared to continue school, or you think you're still not comfortable, like traveling back in a taxi?
Not comfortable.
Are you sleeping good?
No.
Anybody from the school reach out to you?
No.
So you don't get no visit from nobody and no agency?
Nobody.
The grand aunt, Chevanice Richmond, is upset about that.
When I look and see and know that there are children that are going to school, and it is 3 different schools, and all know no school from the 3 schools don't call the mother, the auntie, the niece, the cousin, and nobody to get to hear what is taking place and how the children them are coming on.
An aunt of the two sisters says she believes they're traumatized much more than they have expressed it.
You know, they're not going to come and say everything to you. And I think when they are alone, they are going to think about it, because it's all over on the media. They keep on watching the video over and over and over. And I can remember Tuesday when I called my mom and said, Jamie need blood. The Chudian start to cry and say if he can give him cousin blood to save him. So I know they are traumatized.
Last week, teams from the Ministry of Education and other high schools in the parish provided counselling for the families and colleagues to the victims who passed in the accident. Calls to the schools of the other victims to ascertain if counselling will be provided went unanswered. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.